The best French toast for breakfast is the recipe you're going to be watching in this video. First, put 2 eggs in a deep bowl, then just add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need to mix very well. Then get a toast slice and cut it into halves. In a pan, just put a piece of butter, melt it, and then put the eggs. Get the 2 halves of toast and dip it well in the eggs on both sides. Cook them for 2 minutes and flip the egg on the other side. Fold the 4 edges as you can see in the video. Then you can add cheese slices or mozzarella cheese grated, mayonnaise, then fold it. Cook for 2 minutes on both sides. And now it's ready for being served. The most delicious French toast in this world. Yummy.